Congress top leader Rahul Gandhi laga yatra journey rakhi thakia homoiti Mukokchung district jar ratibra ponchi jaisha aro yatra journey ja thakia damti state laga road condition saigina Kandi laga statement ti Kinika Nagaland state laga girl child county alag state loigena compete kurwala parbo kogena question huti ase flight delay hoi jagina diverted issue ti passengers khan airport area te bohigina batsat khaidia garni Bureau of Civil Aviation Security Khantu Indigo Airline opor 1.20 crore of rupees fine imposed kugina Mumbai International Airport LDD Khanki 60 lakh fine kudisha kugina report dia ase Kandilaga addressing ti Prime Minister Modi 9 years ageti dangor promise kugina naga manula serious issue fesla kudibole promise kuri aija sholipi anibole napargina Twitter term khotom kurbole thakia opurti awas uthai disha aro naga manula solution to kitapi naga manu loigena kotha na kushe koli itu serious issue solution laki thakia anibole naparbo koi dia ase aro ja kali bia rasta experience kurgena naga manu upurti injustice kuri thakia reveal kuri disha aro Manipur state laga hamlati ekbar pi Prime Minister Modi visit nakura opor criticize kurdigena especially young women Mati Khan politics te involved kurgena Nagaland agelo jabole Kandi jakali public address kuri dishe khobote Manipur government khantu Mori town laga situation karni tension issue logina central government khanki share kuri thakya Manipur home commissioner report dia asekili law and order situation of Bodor town Moriti continuously banduk larai kuri thakyan miti ko ase ja kali Manipur state Mori region te banduk larai toili Tingnupol district Phitor hamla ulaina curfew impose kurgena ja thakya tamti Mori town Phitor te suspected khuki militant aro security force machete banduk larai sur kurlose kogena report dia ase report e ja kali laga hamla tu suspected khuki militant khanbara SBI Mori Phitor ti grenade phelai disha aro tatebra larai sur kugina attack to 330 pujote security forces khan gumai thakya damti mari dishe ko ase itu violence hamla ani thakya tu Muri SDPO police Muraida la suspected dujon state police khanbra thuri logina 2 din machete ulai ase aro rikhui sesapti IRB personnel Muraidia aro jokhum krida airlifted kugina Imphal punchai disha aro Muri town Phitor security tight kuri thakya official report dia ase flight delay hoi jagina diverted issue ti passengers khan airport area te bohigina batsat khaidia garni Bureau of Civil Aviation Security Khantu Indigo Airline opor 1.20 crore of rupees fine imposed kugina Mumbai International Airport LDD Khanki 60 lakh fine kudisha kogena report dia ase airport station laga situation opoti showcase notice pi issue kudisha kili flight delay ho jagina Goa Delhi flight landed kulo asat passengers khan runway airport tarmac te bohina relax aro kunpat batsat khasur kudan mijem khobote Mumbai airport incident kurgena 1.20 crore of rupees Indigo Airline opor fine imposed kridia to first time thaksha aro Directorate General of Civil Aviation Khanpi MIAL Khanki 30 lakh fine imposed thaksha kogena airport Phitor ti situation opor latest update pailu ase Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma ex logena update ti Tuesday din 42 lakh notun beneficiaries under National Food Security Act officially launched kugena phak kudisha ko ase report hesapti 42,85,745 notun beneficiaries across state National Food Safety Act under cover up kulobo aro ration card logina beneficiaries khan ki statewide phak kudibole jonai dia ase Himanta Biswa Sharma addressing ti ration card holder family ti every member 5 kg hotai moina receive kubo aro state Phitor ti 4 million opor notun ration card cover up kurlogina food security aro health assurance বেনিফিচিয়াৰিজ ওপৰ আনি দিবলৈ থাকে জনাই দিয়া আছে